really strange. He's been ranked #1 in the world for the last 4 years. But suddenly, Ilya Shimanovic did a 58.29 quite recently in Marseille, which, as yet, Adam has not done this year. That will probably all change in the next minute. Just how quick will he go? How quick will Ross Murdoch go? Remember,
Ross looked fantastic.
went out in 27.7. Final of the men's 100 meters breaststroke. Possibilities of 4 swimmers going sub-60. How quick will Adam Peaty in lane 4 go? Of course he's got the advantage at 25. It's him against the clock, and if anybody else can go with him. Craig Benson is trying. Ross Murdoch is trying. James Wilby is trying. They're trying hard. They just can't catch this boy. Now, 26.90 was his split time this morning. Is it quicker? 26.6, so he has got 0.3 of a second quicker than he did this morning. It's all about Peaty against the clock. They're all battling for the other medal. 59.19, he can do that in his sleep. 59.92, he did that years ago. Don't worry about those times. Let's see what Peaty can do here. Ross Murdoch's coming back quite strong, and James Wilby as well for 2nd and 3rd place. The winner we know. The question is, what kind of time is he going to do? Project 56, not going to happen today. 57.87, rightfully back at the top of the standings in the world. James Wilby gets 2nd place, 58.66. That's more like it. That's kind of more what we expect from James Wilby. And 3rd place to Ross Murdoch of University of Stirling. So Wilby gets the 2nd place in a 28.66. So both of them will, we presume, be on the team for the world. Certainly Adam is, and well inside the secondary consideration time, James Wilby.
Yeah, well, you predicted 4 people would go and back Lily Mark, and they certainly delivered. Obviously for Adam, he's got the 50 metres still to come this week, but the other guys, obviously for James and Ross, they're concentrating on that 200 metres. But for Adam, what a fantastic swim. 57.8, just unbelievable. This man never ceases to amaze me. His just sheer power and strength and technical ability is incredible.
13 best times all time in the 100 metres breaststroke.